Hi everyone! Today I'm here with one of the famous lip snacking buttery street food which is normally made with vegetables and served with bread. The name of the recipe is Pav Bhaji. So let's get started! Chopped garlic 1 tablespoon, chopped ginger 1 tablespoon, chopped green chilli 1, lemon juice half teaspoon, fenugreek powder a pinch, red chilli powder half teaspoon, pav bhaji masala 2 tablespoon, fresh tomato puree 1/4 cup, ready-made tomato puree 1/4 cup, boiled and mashed potato 1 cup, chopped onions 1 cup, grated cauliflower 1 cup, chopped bell peppers 1/4 cup, chopped carrots 1/4 cup, green peas 1/4 cup, chopped coriander leaves few, butter 4 to 5 cubes, oil 1 tablespoon, water 1 cup or as needed, salt to taste. So to begin with, first let's drop in butter along with oil. And let's wait for the butter to melt. Let's drop in chopped onions, garlic, ginger and our green chilli. Almost everything. Saute it nicely. And let's wait till the onions turn to light brown. Now it's time to add in our vegetables. I'm having some chopped carrots, green peas goes in, chopped bell peppers and some grated cauliflower. Give it a good stir. You can add vegetables as per your choice. Now it's time to add in salt as per taste and a dash of water. Cover and leave it to cook. Further, drop in our mashed potatoes and combine well. You can use a potato masher to mix it well. Mash it lightly. See how it looks. Now goes in our purees, the fresh. These are the fresh tomato puree. And then goes in our ready-made tomato puree. Here it goes. Along with red chilli powder and a pav bhaji masala. Mix it quickly. With some water. Combine well. I'm just going to use my potato masher again. And leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now to enhance the flavor, I'm dropping in a pinch of fenugreek powder and some chopped fresh coriander leaves. and our lime juice. Here it goes. Just mix it well. Our bhaji is done and all set to serve. So, before plating, let's toast the pav with butter. You may use any kind of bread. For that, I've taken a griddle and I'm just heating it up, and let's wait for the griddle to be hot. Now, let's slit the pav till the center. Like this, and I'm going to apply butter. Butter should be applied on both the sides and then goes down like this. And let's do with another pav. Apply butter the same way. And here it goes. Our pav is ready. It has been 2 minutes and it's perfect. So now let's plate it. Let's now top it up with some chopped onions, and some fresh coriander leaves, one cube of butter on top, and a lemon wedge. And here it is. By the way, are you a foodie and in love with street food? Then I'm sure one of your favorite street food will be Pav Bhaji. That's the reason I have made this yummy, tasty and delicious recipe just for you. Hope you will like and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Bye, and catch you up in my next video with another tips and tricks.